Welcome back to Lucid Daily, the #1 spot for Lucid news and information on a daily basis. Let's go ahead and get started. So, as you can tell, it is absolutely difficult to survive in these markets. You have Lucid, they were down 6%, they were down another 2.8% in the after hours, over 8.5% today on Lucid. Absolutely brutal, but Lucid was not alone. You have Tesla down 7%. And another 2% in the after hours. So like I said, Lucid's not alone. Tesla's not alone. Rivian down 7.7% during the day, 1.27% in the after hours. So absolutely difficult day to be in the EV sector. Not only the EV sector, but also the SPY was down 1.7% today. An absolutely very difficult time to be in the stock market. As a lot of you know, you have the Russia and Ukraine drama going on. If you want to dive into exactly what's going on there, Graham Stephan made a pretty good video going over it today. I actually haven't seen it all, but that is a video I'm excited to watch. So there's a lot of news, there's a lot of sources you can get to get information about Russia and Ukraine and just the overall economy. Let's continue. The reason I bring up this picture was to remind a lot of people, bears and bulls, about Lucid. A lot of Lucid Lucid Super Bowls think Lucid's like here. In terms of where their stock price should be, and a lot of Lucid bears think that Lucid's like Lucid's not even on here. And I do just want to show this graph does a good job of representing where Lucid actually is, and that we shouldn't try to we should try to be patient with Lucid, not pushing them past their estimates and wanting the stock price to go higher than what their estimates already declare it should be. So this is just a reminder for the Super Bowls, but also the Super Bears, that Lucid's in their early stages. They've shipped more cars than most. They've shipped as many cars as any other pure EV company, obviously other than Tesla. They're standing toe-to-toe with Rivian, so I'm really excited to see how Rivian and Lucid's deliveries match up. I think Rivian probably will squeak out a couple more 100 deliveries than Lucid did this last quarter, but not necessarily. Those companies shouldn't be compared apples to apples, but they are all in the EV space. So let's continue. The next thing is if you search anything regarding Lucid news, you're going to get blasted with like 7 articles that just talk about the recalls, and you can see the NHTSA recalls, the safety defect in high-end sedan. There's a lot of FUD out there with Lucid right now. It does not help the stock price or the company in these difficult times. But luckily, you do actually have John. He said seen some chatter recently about Lucid Motors' Strut Recall. Mobile technician came to me, checked the car, and was done within an hour. Super easy. My car did not have the issue. Kind of a non-story, but figured I'd provide some commentary. So this is exactly what Lucid needed, was somebody like John to be able to get online and kind of say, hey, look, it's not that big of a deal. My car didn't have it, but if it did, they'll even fix it for free. So very nice by John to be able to include that. So Lucid did officially launch their lifestyle accessories today, so you can have apparel, headwear, drinkware. And then Travis Morgan, who's also a Lucid Dream Edition owner, said waiting for floor mats, and Lucid responded. They actually don't respond to too many people, but they responded to him and said accessories will be added to the store as they become available. Sign up for our newsletter and be the first to know about new additions. So there's nothing concrete there about floor mats coming anytime soon, but you can see where if you want to subscribe for when Lucid drops their merch, you can be one of the first people to know. Next is John also did say that he is going to be releasing his Lucid review, and this was almost 2 terabytes. I think I saw on his Twitter 1.9 terabytes of film. If it was for the Lucid film, I imagine it was. He has incredible drone shots, an incredible studio setup. This is going to be, in my opinion, probably the highest production review of any Lucid car that we've seen thus far. So I did just want to provide you with that. And then just a reminder that Lucid will be hosting their Q4 earnings call on February 28th, next Monday, which will be my birthday. So hop in to our live stream. We'll be covering, we might even cover the closing bell as well as for sure the conference call. So it should be a fun afternoon. I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. There wasn't a ton of news today, but I felt like we talked about anything else that was out there. And if you guys got any sort of value from this and you want Lucid news and information on a daily basis, consider subscribing. And like always, we'll see you next time. Happy investing.